There was no one at the booth, so I guess we just go. Whoa, buddy. Uh-oh, now's your time, Mexicans. Come over. Nobody's at the border patrol. There's the welcome to California. Oh, it's too bright. There you go. Too bad. Okay, that was a quick view of the sign. I don't even know if it was visible because the reflection was way too bright. So I don't know if California has a welcome center with the welcome sign. If it does, we'll pull over. If not, then too bad. I need to find a Love's eventually to get the magnet. Other than that, let's keep going. Okay, it said rest area, but I don't think there's a welcome center in this Willie's something. There's a state prison here, it said, somewhere nearby. But it looks like this just goes in a loop. So you can drive around in a little circle thing and then just leave. Yep. So you go in, park here, and then rest. I think that's it. Maybe there's bathroom, but I don't see any welcome center, welcome sign. So I don't know where California puts their welcome sign. See, they have a big area. People are parking there to sleep. And there as well. And maybe there's restrooms. Yep, looks like restrooms. And they have one, I think that's a charge point charger with that plus sign. Oh, unavailable. It's broken. See, that's why I don't trust the non-Tesla chargers, because you never know if it's actually going to be available for charging. Maybe since I'm here, I'll just pee. Even though it went not too long ago. Alright, oh, I like that. That's, yep, that new feature with the lines is nice. Okay, let's see what's in front. It thinks I'm gonna hit something. Nope, there's plenty of room. And it can see, I don't know what the orange it's seeing in front of it. Like it sees a ghost that I'm gonna hit. I don't know. Before I even got to the curb, it was showing an orange thing in front. Alright, let's go. Hello, California bugs. Alright. Yeah, I don't see any welcome sign here, but there's a lot of parking area. And this one doesn't have that. No overnight parking. This is rest area, not sleep area. You can only take a nap. I don't know. I don't know why the other rest areas, they don't let you like overnight. Maybe they're worried there's too many people will stay there and then there's not enough room. I don't know. Here you go. Fallen Workers Memorial. They have one here. District 8. San Bernardino. Interesting. Is that names? Okay, they actually have the names of the people. Wow. 1950s, 70s, 90s, and 2000s. There you go. Alright, time to get back on the road. Let's go, 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 go. Let's see if there's some other information stuff there. No, there's nothing in here. What happened? There's not even a map in here. It's just empty. It's just people scraped up and graffitied on it. I think there used to be a payphone here. There's that empty thing. Nothing's in there. Alright, time to continue. Let's go. Heading to a big city over there. You can see all the lights. Okay, we're arriving soon at the Love's just down the street. Oh, are people sleeping there? Yep, I think they parked on the side here to sleep. Whoa, that person's gonna fall off the cliff. Okay, we're here. Now turn another right. Carl's Jr., not the Hardys. $3.69. Gas prices went down since the last time we were in California.
Now your destination is on the right.
Yeah, but before it was over 4. I think it's the politicians pushing to get votes.
It's different. When you get to the Bay Area, it's more.
We'll find out. Okay, we got the last one, California's, and the total here was, wake up, 651. All right, I think that's higher than most places, although there was like one or two that was more, I think. I don't know. Anyways, we got the last one. Stick it on the car, and it fits right there. There you go. Alright, next stop, charger in 53 miles. Luckily, there was only one magnet left, and it was like stuck to the side of the thing. So I almost didn't have one. I was like, oh no, there's none.
Now turn right onto Dillon Road.
And then I found that one magnet stuck to the side of their display case. Alright, anyways, we got another 53 miles to go to the next charge stop. And then I'll probably rest there. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But I think from there, there's not that much longer to go. All these trucks parked here along the side to sleep. Yep, alright, let's go. Oh, another truck. Are they turning? Why do they have their left turn signal on? I don't know what they're doing. They're not moving. It's pretty much the end of the trip. We got all the magnets. We saw all the capitals. Though the first few we didn't really walk around much or at all. So I don't know. Might have to revisit those. If you want me to, let me know. Let me know which capitals you want to see more of if you actually watch through the videos. It's really hard to see, but there's windmills there. I see two. Oh, that little tower has that spinning thingy showing stuff on there. What is happening at this exit? What in the world? I need to go to charge. Get out of the way, guys. What is happening here? What is going on? Are you serious? I waited in all that traffic and those people aren't even exiting. I thought the traffic was in the exit lane, not in the straightaway lane. What in the world? I waited a long time in that lane just to exit. I could have just exited on the shoulder. Alright.
Now turn left onto Golf Club Drive.
There must be golf nearby. The address is Golf Club Drive. Why is this light? There we go. Okay, I'm assuming I'm supposed to go on this side, yep. Okay. Now, how do I get over there? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. There's the chargers over there.
Oak Valley Village Circle.
Wait, what? What? Oops, now I'm counter traffic. What is happening? Where's the entrance? How do I get in there? I thought that was a driveway to get up.
Is on the left.
Okay, here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we go. Look at all these chargers. That's a lot of chargers here. Alright, let's plug in and then we'll continue or sleep. We'll see. One of those. Okay, we're at 12%. You see, we use 623 watt-hours per mile. I think because we're going uphill and also some wind. There's not really much wind here, so I don't know. Anyways, let's plug this guy in here. What? And we should be good to go in a little bit. Take a nap, maybe. Upload some more videos for you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, 99%. I'm gonna just unplug and rest here. Alright, let's see. Maybe the other side. Alright, so I decided I'll just go to Pilot because This one doesn't really have like place where I feel it's okay to park overnight, so let's go. That's
Now
like
turn right onto Golf Club
32 miles
Drive.
away, so I'll probably be better. Alright, can I go that way? How do I get down there? Oh, I think it's this way. Yeah, because I don't want to like leave the car parked at the charger not plugged in and then someone be like, hey, that's for charging only, even though there's like so many chargers that I don't think anyone would care, but I don't know. Anyways, let's go. There's like some angel wings on the side there. Interesting. Oh, they do have parking there.
Now turn right onto Oak Valley Parkway.
There's a lot of parking on the front there, but I don't know, it's fine. We'll go to the Pilot. Then I'll make the travel tomorrow a bit easier as well. Alright, let's go.
In 500 feet.
Island or something? Okay, here's the Pilot Travel Center. I don't know why the GPS is going all the way over there. It's right here. So we'll go over here. I don't know what's... Oh, that's the truck center. No, I'm not going in there. So we just go park here somewhere and then we should be okay. Right? Alright. Let's see. All these trucks are parked here. Wow, I've never seen so many cars and trucks parked. Oh, this is 2 hours maximum parking. Maybe this was a worse idea. Oh no. Is everyone really parked here for only 2 hours max? No way. There's no way everyone's here for only 2 hours max. Shall I continue then? I don't know. Okay, let's see what happens if I go to the one that's on the GPS. There's no way people are just parking here for 2 hours. They all have like shades and everything in their cars. But, okay, let's see. Go. This one's, I don't know. There's a lot of trucks and stuff here. I think that sign on the other side also said no overnight parking, so yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I think that sign. What does that say? No bobtail parking. What's bobtail? I don't know. Okay, so I looked it up, and bobtailing is basically what all those trucks are without the cargo thing. So anyways, I think it should be okay. I'm gonna use the restroom and then we're gonna rest and then we'll continue our trip in the morning. Yeah, see, I think all those people, they have like things in their blinds, so they're probably all sleeping in there. So I think it should be okay. Alright, I was talking with that guy for a while. He was talking about his travels and stuff too and things like that. And yeah, I'm gonna now rest. We're at 88%. It's 2:12 a.m. 66 degrees outside. But anyways, I had a nice long talk with that guy, and yeah, now I should sleep. So I'll see you guys in the morning.